Hey there everybody, it's Mark Crilley. I'm back with another video. This is just a quick update to let you know that I'm planning to reopen commissions over at my Etsy, which is to say giving people a chance to have a custom-made piece of chibi style art and done by me, signed by me, to you or to anyone you want, and mailed straight to your door. Last time I did this, did a YouTube video announcing about my chibi commissions, I gotta say it was incredible. Within the first couple of hours, all of them got locked down. So this time I'm going to open it up for 5, maybe 6 at most, different commission slots. This piece that I'm doing here is not a commissioned piece. This is one of 2 different pieces that I have created for my Etsy, an original piece of sort of pre-made art that is designed for people who are on a limited budget. So I've made a couple of these relatively, small and simple drawings to sort of fit the bill in that regard. But I'm going to quickly show you some of the new pieces that I added to my Etsy just last week. This is a Miki Falls piece back from when I was preparing for the Miki Falls project. Here's a sort of winter chibi, a little out of season, but I had it on hand and I decided to make it available. This is a very unusual tall Miki piece that I did way back when I hadn't quite figured out what the character was going to look like. And oh my goodness, she's at least 2 or 3 feet taller than she ended up in the final book. Here's one that I don't think this is so much about freckles. She does have freckles, but I think it was a different picture that I did. I think this might be for a video that I did about the near profile, where the face is turned almost fully away from us, but not quite. And here's a cute little surprised chibi artwork that came from my How to Draw Chibi book. This is pretty representative of the type of commissioned pieces that I've been doing. In fact, why don't I just go ahead and splice in and show you some of these commissioned pieces, and you can check out what would be coming to your door, along these lines, if you decide to take the plunge. So there you go, a range of different things. You know what has proven quite popular is the idea of me doing a chibi illustration of your original character. A lot of people have asked for me to do that, and it's been a lot of fun to learn how to draw other people's original characters. All you need to do is show me, your design, or in some cases it's an illustration that someone else had done, by commission, but that shows me all the details of the costuming and so forth. This one is actually an original page from My Last Summer with Cass, one of my graphic novels, and this would be from the comic book lesson, the moment when Emily, the main character, meets Madeline, her second teacher, who teaches her all about making comics. Anyway, I wanted you to see some of these newer pieces. I think in this case we're going back to stuff that I showed in the previous video, so I maybe don't need to do that. But I will go ahead and remind you that it is etsy.com/shop/Mark Crilley, and there is of course a direct link in the description of this video. So many thanks. If you are watching this shortly after I have released it and you have any interest in having me do a commissioned chibi illustration, I would encourage you to go ahead and set that up, because like I said last time, I was stunned at how quickly those, I think it was 5 different slots that I had arranged, got snapped up. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I guess maybe I can go ahead and say that I'll be back with another one real soon, because I did end up coming back with another one pretty darn soon. Maybe I'll get back into the swing of things over here. In any case, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back with another one real soon.